Let's look at how to add pictures, complete forms and save information to a task. Typically it will be your field service workers who upload pictures and forms. Let's first look at how to perform these actions on a mobile device. The technician's home screen shows the tasks assigned to them. The time log allows a technician to clock in and out multiple times. A detailed log of each session is kept. This particular task requires for a tap washer to be replaced. The technician will perform the task and provide feedback by completing a basic form. You can request custom forms that are specific to your requirements. Let's proceed with completing a basic form. The basic form allows for text and pictures to be uploaded. The technician can rename the form. The details of the task undertaken can be entered in the comments section. In this case, the feedback is minimal and down to the point. Pipe allows the technician to either take pictures as they fill in the form or to upload pictures from the device's library. You can rename the media file and add additional information in the caption section. You can upload several pictures to the form. The pictures uploaded will appear on the formal PDF version of the form. The form can be printed and saved to your device, or you could email the completed form directly from the app. The pictures on the form are saved in large format to show greater detail. The client and technician are both added as default recipients. The selection can be overridden by unselecting either or both the client and technician. Additional email recipients can be added by clicking on the plus icon at the top right of the screen. You will receive a confirmation prompt when the emails were successfully sent. As you may have seen by now, each section can be edited by clicking on the icon at the top right of the screen. Technicians can only edit tasks they are assigned to. Now edit the task by marking it as completed and update the invoice status. The task has now been updated and saved. Don't worry if you forgot to add a picture or wish to add more to the form. You can create a copy of the form and edit the copy. Once a form is saved, it cannot be edited but only copied. This feature protects the authenticity of the master form. The photos attached to the form can be seen in the form media section without having to open the form. The counter shows the 2 pictures of the tap on the form. The form counter refers to the master and copied form. Clicking on the Other Media tab allows you to add pictures and other documents to the task. This comes in handy when no form submission is required. Only the assigned technician can add a form to the task, but any user can upload files to the Other Media section. The counter updates automatically, making it very easy to see if the folders contain any documents. The technician can present the client with their device and obtain a signature via the sign-off section. Invited clients can sign off the forms on their own devices and also have the option to provide feedback. Once signed and saved, you will be shown a confirmation message. You have now completed the task and all that remains is to clock out. You can see the time spent on a task in the time log. When you return to your tasks page, you will see the task has been updated and is shown as invoiced and completed. All of the changes made out in the field appears real-time on any other connected device. The task overview shows the forms, task media and other media updated together with the client's signature. The time log can be explored too. When opening the images, additional data can be seen, such as the user's name and time the pictures were uploaded. In the Forms section you will notice a toggle that says Hide and Show. Invited clients can see limited information via the user portal. When the toggle is turned to Hide, the form will not be shared with the client. When the toggle is turned to Show, the client will be able to see their form. The toggle is set to be in the hide position by default. This allows admin staff to read and approve the reports prior to sharing them with the client. Adding a quote is very easy. Open the tab, custom name the quote and add products from the preloaded list. Once all the products are added, you can edit the quantities by clicking on the plus or minus. When you are satisfied with the quote, you can print and save or email the quote directly from the app. We are almost done with this tutorial. There is one last feature to cover, the links section. Here you can paste the URL link to larger files that are hosted on third-party servers, such as a link to a Dropbox folder where construction drawings are saved. The benefit by posting a link is that the master folder is maintained by the publisher. It is very handy to post links to product installation videos. This can assist when working with apprentices, ready for the technician to view on their smart device. Are you ready to revolutionize your workflow? Join us for a free 30-day trial.